Hello everyone, welcome to TechieLeopard channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign out of the Mail app in your Windows 11 computer. Now the first thing you have to do is of course open the Mail app and then click on this gear icon from the bottom left. Now from here click on Manage Accounts and then select the account that you want to sign out of. Now from here all you need to do is just click on Delete Account from this device and then click on Delete from the bottom here, and we have just signed out of this account from our Mail app, and this is the only way to sign out because there is no sign out button. You have to remove the account to sign out from the Mail app. Now if you want to sign back in again, you can just click on Accounts and then click on Add Accounts and then add the email account that you want to sign in again. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.